Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to recover cryptocurrency sent to the wrong network on Coinbase, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what happened. If you accidentally sent crypto from Coinbase to the wrong blockchain network, for example, sending USDT on Ethereum to a Binance Smart Chain address, your funds may not show up. Step 2. Check if the wallet supports the other network. If you sent the crypto to a wallet you control, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, check if that wallet supports multiple networks. Sometimes you can simply switch networks inside the wallet to see the tokens. Step 3. Add the correct token manually. If your crypto isn't showing, try adding the token manually on the correct network inside the receiving wallet. This might allow the tokens to appear. Step 4. If sent to Coinbase, contact support. If you sent the crypto into Coinbase on the wrong network, recovery can be difficult. Go to the Coinbase Help Center and submit a request under Funds Sent on Unsupported Network. Step 5. Submit a support ticket with details. When contacting Coinbase, include the TX ID, transaction ID, the wallet address you sent to, the amount and crypto type, the network it was sent on. Note, recovery is not guaranteed, especially if the receiving address isn't under your control. Step 6. Be patient. If Coinbase agrees to recover your funds, it might take several weeks. Their team will manually inspect the transaction, so delays are normal. Tip: always double-check the network when transferring crypto. A mismatch can lead to lost funds or long recovery delays. And that's it. Now you know what to do if you've sent crypto to the wrong network using Coinbase. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.